In this section of the course, we'll look at how your digital strategy will impact teaching. And going back to the previous section of the course, if you're planning on a digital strategy to transform teaching and learning, then there's a real opportunity to do something different here. So the first question to ask is, what devices do you want your teachers to actually teach with in the classroom? This will most commonly come down to one of three different devices: a desktop PC, a laptop, or a mobile tablet. For each one of these different options, we'll take you through some of the pros and cons of using them in the classroom, and also some of the things you need to reflect on and ask yourself. So, firstly, desktop PCs that are normally situated on the teacher's desk within the classroom. This is normally a traditional approach that most schools used to have. They're relatively inexpensive in the grand scheme of things when we're looking at new devices. And actually, if you've got lots of these and you're probably not looking to do much different, then actually you've already got the solution in your classrooms. However, the downside to this approach is that these desktop PCs are very inflexible because they have to be hardwired onto the teacher's desks. This means they can't be mobile, you can't move them around, and because of this, they're usually only used to take the register or to play your presentation onto your whiteboard or display screen. The next approach is, instead of using desktop PCs for teachers, is to give them a laptop. The benefits of this approach is that they're very, very versatile machines. They can be mobile, they increase your presence around the classroom because you don't have to stay at your desk where the old style traditional desktop PC would be. You can flip the screen, you can use it as a tablet, you can do digital linking, and you can create some amazing resources with some of the software on there. However, although this sounds great from a teaching and learning perspective, they can be a lot more expensive than the traditional desktop PCs, and even more expensive depending on the specification that you go for. And finally, the third option is that you can choose to issue mobile tablets to your staff to teach from, such as iPads. The benefits here is that they're very, very flexible and portable, and you can literally have them in the palm of your hand. There's lots of creative apps, digital linking, and you can be as mobile and versatile as you like with your tablet. However, the downside to tablets is that they can be very limited to just one operating system. For example, if you're using an iPad, you're limited generally to the iOS system. And this means that lots of software that you may already have in your school is now not compatible with those devices. So once you've taken the time to consider all those questions about the different choices of devices that you could use, your choice of device should go hand in hand with your reasons for creating this digital strategy in the first place. Is it for financial and productivity efficiencies? Or is it to transform teaching and learning and push the boundaries of what is possible in the classroom?